Hello, and welcome to NIME's 3 Days Weather Forecast. It's been an eventful 24 hours of weather activities across the country. Most areas around the northeast and the central to the southwest have had some activities of thunderstorms in the last 24 hours, and as we speak, currently areas around Lagos and some southwestern states of the country are having active thunderstorms. Likewise, part of the Niger Delta, from the Delta to part of Bayelsa, they are experiencing some active thunderstorms on Saturday morning as we speak. We believe this should give us a good ambience for weather activities on Saturday, as we expect some level of stability over most parts of the country from the north to the central into the late hours of the day, while we still expect some slim chances of thunderstorms over some few areas around the central cities of Abuja and Nasarawa, and also some parts of the northwest of Kebbi and environs. The southeast coast of Port Harcourt and Eket will also have some thunderstorms before the end of Saturday. We expect temperatures around the country to hit around 39 degrees Celsius over part of the northwest, while the northeast will have temperature ranging within 37 over part of Damaturu to 38 over part of Maiduguri. Abuja and environ will have temperature drop to around 31 degrees Celsius, while areas in the southeast coast will have temperature around 33 in Owerri to 35 around Yenagoa, while part of Lagos and environ will also have temperature as low as 34 degrees Celsius. We expect Sunday to also start fine in most places across the country from the north to the south. But by the afternoon and evening hours, we owe some prospect of thunderstorms over part of Gombe and part of the Mambila Plateau in Taraba, and also part of Jos. We also expect some thunderstorms over part of Niger around places in Mina and Bida. While as we move to the coastal areas, we expect most coastal areas to expect some thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours of the day. Temperatures will still remain in the late 30s over most parts of the north, as Katsina will report temperature as high as 39 degrees Celsius. Abuja will still have temperature around 31 degrees Celsius, while Nasarawa will hold the temperature of 34 degrees Celsius. Lagos and Ijebu-Ode will still have temperature ranging within 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, while the southeast coastal areas and inland cities will have temperature ranging within 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. We also expect Monday to start fine with some partly cloudy conditions around the north of the country, but there are chances of some morning thunderstorms over part of the southeast coast and few areas around parts of Benue and the Mambila Plateau. Other activities are expected in the afternoon hours over part of Plateau, Kaduna, parts of Niger, and some parts of FCT. And also some part of the inland of the southwest are also likely to experience some thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours on Monday. Temperatures is still likely to be around 38 and 40 degrees Celsius over the northeast, while the northwest, areas around Sokoto and Zamfara will see have temperature around 36 to 39 degrees Celsius. The FCT will have temperature drop to around 30 degrees Celsius, while Nasarawa will see have temperature around 32 degrees Celsius. We expect the southwest to predominantly have temperature around 32 to 34 degrees Celsius, while the southeast will have temperature around Port Harcourt 31 degrees Celsius, while that of Yenagoa will be around 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. And that's where we leave you for this edition of our 3 days weather forecast. Do join us in the next couple of days for updates. I'm Olubi Adedamola, and thank you for watching.